Hey guys, today we're in Denmark. We're here at this beautiful garden and I have my lovely model, Astrid. So Astrid is actually a dancer. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
I study dance and theater, so it's most like physical theater. So movement with a story, I think.
Yes, so we're gonna be seeing a little bit of that today for the posing. And actually, it's really cool because this dress was made for the Royal Theater. So we have someone who works in theater, it's a pro. So we're gonna do some cool poses. We're gonna take some cute pictures with this dress and another outfit. So join me on my photo shoot today. Yeah, I want you like maybe right here because you're covering that giant, I don't know, what is that? Oh, I don't know what it is. Like a trash can or something? A fancy trash can. She's like, I don't know, I just live here. I don't know. Love this. Just have the other hand show a little bit more. That one, yeah. Yeah, I love those poses. Lovely. So cool. Okay. Yes, I don't have to say anything. Can you do one kind of leaning on the stairs?
Yeah.
Love this, but could I have your other leg showing a bit more? Yes. Lovely. Love the shape. Love that. Nope, I love that. That was really great. Yes. Leaning in towards my lens a bit. Yes, lovely. Stay right here. Having both hands right there. I feel like I'm not saying much because she's doing everything. How long have you been modeling for?
Like 4 years.
Wow, I mean, you're an incredible model. You can tell that she has a background in dance. These shots are always tricky for me. You have to make sure to get the head angle right. Yeah. So kind of like that maybe, and then just bring in your arm a bit. Bring in your elbow. There you go, perfect. Bend this elbow and just like that. And lift your chin up a bit. Looking out this way. And looking here. Okay, I'm gonna be on the stairs all day. You guys know me. So let's move to another area before we get stuck here. I'll literally take the same pictures in the same place. I love the flowers. I think it would be kind of fitting for this. Maybe you could be kind of like on this ledge. Yes, great job. Stay right there. Bring both arms in a bit in the middle. Yeah. Okay, and then maybe let's do some on those steps. Let me see you right here, maybe sitting on this. Yeah. Try something a bit different. I forgot to mention I'm using my 24-70 lens and my 5D Mark IV. The reason why I'm using my 24-70 lens is it's wide angle and I do want to get a lot of movement and full body shots with this one and get the environment. So 24-70 for this is perfect. Could you assemble yourself maybe in this little patch? You could do one where you're kind of like this, heavier, yeah? And looking out this way, straight ahead. Those are great. Okay, I think I will do some portraits and then I think we can have you change. Yeah. Stay right there. Bring the shoulder in a bit. Yeah, there you go. And just bring in your arm like this a bit. And then facing me. And then bring both shoulders in like this. Okay, I think we've got it. We're gonna have her change and we'll be back out. So let's go. Oh yeah, we should end it with a little dance. You know what? Let's do a dance off. Let's go. You guys can vote in the comments who did it better. So the second look is by Magnus. He's a designer of the entire outfit. So tell us a little bit about it.
The main inspiration for this outfit is actually the fabrics. We have this amazing beaded tulle with all the little flower appliques, and every single seam is sewn by hand because you can't really sew it with a sewing machine because then you're going to break the needle. So it took some time completing it, and it's just wonderful that Astrid looks so great in it. You're actually only the second model wearing it ever.
Wow,
So, that's awesome. I feel honored.
And you look beautiful in it.
So we do some cool poses, show off the outfit, and we're here near the royal residence. So we're gonna start here near this wall, and then we're gonna move on in there. So let's get started.
Yeah.
Twist a bit towards me. Yeah, there we go. Yes, this is what I wanted. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get a lower angle a bit. Have like both legs straight on. Yeah, that's really nice too. And then just bend the elbow a bit. Both legs straight. Great job. Yes. Okay. Love this pose. So good. Wonderful. Good job. Twist a little bit more. Yeah, just like this.
Okay.
It's just another day for Astrid. Just another day. Just hanging out. Might get 7-Eleven later. Who knows? Yeah, don't move. I love this pose. Yeah, gorgeous. Don't move. Looking straight ahead into the traffic. Yeah. Gorgeous. Oh, my favorite shot so far. Okay, so for these last few ones, let's have you walking slowly and then you're looking towards me. We want the movement to show. We want her legs to show.
This is crazy.
Oh, be careful. Walk towards me a bit here. Walk towards me here. Yes. Arms up a little.
This is insane.
She's getting married. Yeah.
Thank you.
Go with it, please. I didn't think he would believe me. I feel bad. I'm not gonna tell anyone that. I feel bad. I feel like an asshole. Like, I should not have lied about that. Sir, I was just joking. It's a joke. Are you ready to do a few shots in there? Let's just do it. Let's go visit the Queen of Denmark. Look at this background. Walk a bit forward just because this pole is in the way. And then look back towards me. Twist a bit more. Great, good job. Let's show the legs a little. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, don't move. I love this. Let me just show at least one leg. You can't get both legs, get at least one, right? Can't get them all. Looking out this way. Legs together, legs like this. And let's do some of you walking. Great job, yes, good job. And then let's do a few just...
With a soldier?
No, we can't do that, right?
No.
Oh yeah, I do not want to get in trouble here. They're like, you're gonna go to Danish prison. I'm like, it might happen in this video. Jessica goes to prison after a photo shoot. Not clickbait. Let's do a few last ones. Could you be sitting? Yes. Oh, you can't sit. You can't sit. You guys, it's happening. I knew it. I'm going to prison. I'm going to prison. Okay, so he gave us the signal that we can't. The soldier. Okay, let's just leave. Okay, should we just leave? There's another soldier right there. He's not looking that nice. When my mom gets angry, she does the same thing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Denmark. Let's leave. I'm sorry. You guys, I just got yelled at by the soldier. Did you see him? He's like this. He's like this. Yeah, that's cute. Actually, I have both legs up. That was really, yeah, that was quite nice. Yes. Yeah, that was nice. You brought your head down. Yeah. We'll do some quick portraits and then we'll zoom out. Yeah, stay right there. Yep. Great job. We'll do some quick portraits. Okay, we're done. Oh my God, I thought we got in trouble again. All right, guys, can we say we got yelled at?
Yeah, we did.
We did.
A little bit.
Just a tiny bit. They're protecting the queen, so...
Okay, that makes sense.
You need to accept the rules.
Yeah, no, honestly, we respect it. We don't want to go to prison here. I don't want to go to prison. I don't even know the language. So I probably won't even last in Danish prison, to be honest with you guys. So we would love to thank our amazing model, Astrid. Look at this. You rock this look. Not a care in the world. She's like, let's go. She's walking around here. And then the amazing designer of this entire look, Magnus.
So amazing.
Seriously, this is so cool. It's such a cool look.
So cool. I love it.
Photographed so beautifully. And then of course me behind the camera who is filming all of this and got some evidence that we got yelled at. So we got it on tape, it happened. All the links will be in the description. We would love to thank you guys for watching and we'll see you guys later from Denmark. Bye.
Bye. Sorry, Queen.
Sorry, Queen. I'm so scared I don't even want to tie my shoe. I just want to get back to the hotel.